And with the exit polls giving Prime Minister Narendra Modi the lead, our next report looks at the likely stock market movement in the world's fifth largest economy. Take a look.
As India's marathon 6-week general election ends, anticipation and speculations loom over the stock market as it awaits the outcome of this crucial democratic exercise. Market sentiments have been oscillating, reflecting the uncertainty surrounding the election outcome. The possibility of various scenarios has led to volatility in the equity markets, with investors closely watching exit polls and gearing up for reactions on June 3rd and the final verdict on June 4th. The prevailing sentiment seems to be tilted towards a continuation of the current government, with expectations of a strong performance by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party and its allies.
So I think markets do not seem to have factored in any possibility of political discontinuity, and which is why I think there has been no correction and markets are hitting all-time highs. And this could well continue till June 4th, when the rubber hits the road and we get to know about the numbers. And there is nothing much to look forward to by the market participants beyond that.
However, there are apprehensions about the margin of victory, with some predicting a potential dip in BJP's seat count compared to previous estimates. This was reflected in the fear index, or a gauge of volatility rising to the highest in 2 years and not seen ahead of election results previously. In the event of a decisive victory for the BJP, markets are likely to respond positively. Reason? Expectations of growth-supportive policies and stability driving rallies in benchmark indices. Conversely, a scenario where the BJP falls short of expectations or a coalition government led by an opposition alliance comes to power could trigger a significant sell-off in the short term. And the market moves during the 7 phases of elections points to mixed sentiment. During the polls, the markets rose in the lead-up to 3 of those phases and was in the red in 4. Having said that, stock benchmarks also hit their life highs on Monday this week. The volatility was clear on Friday's moves. The Sensex index rose nearly 300 points in the session, but ended the week about 50 points higher. That reflects the uncertainty of the BJP getting 400 seats, even as the positivity in the moves show a win for the ruling party. Overall, the market's reaction to the election outcome hinges on the degree of continuity and stability it promises. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.